New Living Expo. We are live.
It's going wonderfully. We had an incredible outing here. That's all it is.
Everybody has.
You are all this. Ciao, and I see you. I know. May the Shakti continue to rise. Continue to be strong. Against his pockets of yours. What does the female say to you? What does the Shalom Aleichem. Someone else is coming now. My other half. You are, don't you? It's all inside of you. But now it is for women. We are rising here, so am I. I am the divine feminine aspect of all of this.
Red is the life experience that you've had, and it's part of your soul. So the whole head is a multi-dimensional soul, and this is one aspect.
To see you, you bring tears to my eyes. It is no surprise that you are here. Your flight frequencies frequent with my frequency. Your name.
We're doing a live chat.
Thank you.
Ele, Hindu, Nene. In 10, and I am here.
Modern medicine, but we also use holistic healing.
Marry both of them. Marry the two, spirituality.
And your intuition.
And you. And you.